another video. Today we're gonna be taking delivery of one of the 2 cars that I ended up buying last week and this week. So today one of them is getting delivered, and tomorrow, I don't know what time tomorrow the other one's gonna be getting delivered, but yeah, the one that's getting delivered tomorrow is gonna be great. We're just waiting on the first car to arrive. That one's gonna be a quick build because it doesn't really need that much. The other one, on the other hand, is like, it needs some work, but the car is like, it's cool. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. So yeah, I'm gonna cut back whenever the car and the trailer is here, and then we're gonna do a whole video on the, unloading and all that part. But yeah. Alright guys, so before the car does get delivered, we're gonna have to take this car up to the car wash because the customer is gonna come pick it up today. This is actually my dad's like prized possession. This was his baby. It's 2008 Mercedes S550. It's fully optioned out. Had every option in the book except the AMG motor. Had the AMG appearance package, but not the motor. So it looked like an AMG, but it was not an AMG. And whoever had this car before him took really good care of it, so that's why he loved the car so much. He was never gonna let it go until he got a good offer on it, and someone ended up taking it for that price. We are going to wash this baby real quick. So I'm just spraying some wheel cleaner on these tires. Let me put this inside the car. I'm just gonna let that wheel cleaner sit on there for a little. Come over here. All right, so we're gonna take this $10 bill. So I think it should take me like 4, maybe 5 coins. I'll just put 5 in there. Or actually, I'll put 4 in there. I'll speed up this process because I know it's gonna take a while, so you guys will just watch me do it real quick. Alright, so now I'm gonna walk over to the foam brush. Since I'm the only one here, I believe I'm the only one here, I should have a lot of foam come out of this thing. Just gonna let it foam up a little. And yeah, this should just get the job done. Alright guys, so now that's done. Guess I gotta pay $3 more. It was supposed to let me know whenever it was low, but I guess it didn't. Alright, so I'll speed this up and you guys will see how the car looks afterwards. The car looks good though. As you guys can see, the wheels are cleaned up now. Even the barrels on the wheels look real clean. And yeah, so this is gonna be my final drive in this car. We've had this car for almost 2 years now. Yeah, my dad loved this car. It's kind of sad letting it go. It's a really good car, one of my favorite cars. I was actually gonna do a video on this at one point, but I just never had the time. All right, I'm gonna go back to the shop. So that was my final drive in this beast. But yeah, it's just an amazing car. But yeah, the car is leaving today, so I had fun driving it for one very last time. But yeah, so we're gonna cut back to whenever the new car comes in. It should be coming in very, very soon actually. So yeah, we're gonna cut back to whenever the car comes in. All right guys, so the car just got delivered. Well, it just got here and didn't get delivered yet. Still on the trailer. I had to go get the jump box, but yeah, got a S550 Mustang. Hopefully you guys can see. But yeah, here's the car. So it has a little bit of front end damage. That front bumper is gonna get repainted. I got a pretty good deal on it. It was a 2016. It's not a GT or anything, just a normal Mustang. So it's gonna need a front windshield. So it is automatic with a 6-cylinder. The quarter panel is gonna need a little bit of work. Get up here and need to check the oil before he does take the car off the truck. So there is oil in there and there is coolant. Just always want to make sure that those two are in there. So he's gonna take this off the truck and we're gonna inspect everything. I don't know if it has the taillights in the trunk or not, but I don't think it does, so I might have to order some taillights for this car. And the taillights that I'm gonna go with are the Euro spec taillights, which they're basically not the red taillights that usually come with the Mustang. They're like a clear taillight. They can give you the check inside. Here. So let's see if the trunk pops open. Yes, it does. So there's the tail light. All right, let me just set this down inside the car. Just like a vehicle report, I think. I don't think this is damaged at all. So I'm gonna set this inside of the car. The other one in there. So this one is cracked. I can get this today, I believe. It does need a little bit of framework. Back here, this needs to get pulled out just a bit. It's not too bad. Fixable damage. These are pretty inexpensive, I'm pretty sure. And it is gonna need a new trunk, but it does not need a new bumper. It doesn't need anything too major. Let's check out the interior of the car. So this is my first Mustang that I've purchased. Well, like the S550s. I've had a S197. I had a GT. And I had the V6. This is just the base model. V6. Maybe we can find something. Some lug nuts. There's this sticker price. Got some car wipes. Is it empty? There's one in there. And then this will just all get repainted. But yeah, the headlights worked. That's important. Back there, because those headlights are expensive. The engine sounds good. Doesn't sound like there's no issues with it. Let me make sure. It is gonna need a little bit of coolant. It's a little too low. So it's not gonna need too much. I'm guessing like this total car, just the repairs alone. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna lose any money on this car. This is all repairable. So I'm thinking that I might just paint this black, just along this line right here. So up here it'll be silver and down there it'll be black, which I feel like will look good. But I'm excited for you guys to see the car that I got, just getting delivered tomorrow. Let me turn this way, since the lighting is better. But I'm excited for you guys to see tomorrow's delivery. You guys might think it's dumb, but we're gonna cut back to tomorrow whenever I get the new car. I haven't spoke to the driver about that one. I don't know what time it's getting delivered. Hopefully it gets delivered in the daytime, because it was way easier than how when the Scat Pack got delivered. It got delivered at like 12 in the morning, well, at night. I don't want that to happen again, because that means I'll have to get double the footage and it's just a headache. So hopefully it gets delivered during the daytime so you guys can see it, just like how we did with the Mustang. So yeah, we're gonna cut back to tomorrow whenever the car gets delivered.
Hey, bitch, I'm scared of loving your little mopar. I ain't even gonna call you a slut, but cause the whole time I was doing the same thing. Hey, I'm just joking. You ain't catch me, so I ain't gonna admit to it on phone now. I don't like you though. I don't really hate you, but I said it a couple times. My bitch told me I said way too much fucking drink. My shooters artists with them switches, say they tryna paint. My mama told me, boy, stay up out them damn streets. I told my mama, girl, I'm sorry, this the only way I eat. When I jumped up off that porch, little nigga, I landed on my feet. Had to pop out with that Glocky. Nigga thought it was sweet. Catch them plays, don't call no audibles. We got glass for weeks. Serving songs got born, I started moving shit that was 100 a G.
The next day.
Taking delivery second car. We got another Scat Pack. This is at 2016. So this is another white car, but this has red interior. So yeah, that was like the main buying point for me was the red interior. Just because of the red interior, I had to get it. Like I said, this is a 2016. And in the pictures, I couldn't tell if it had a sunlight or not. It doesn't, so we're gonna let the driver do his thing. He's gonna jump the car. Yeah, we're gonna get some video of it starting up. It's real cold right now, so that's why I'm shivering. But yeah, the car looks good. Doesn't look like it needs too much work. So I already got the rear door for the passenger side, and I'm getting the driver's side door tomorrow. I'm gonna start it up right now first.
I was in love, ain't do you that way. But a nigga catch 762 in the face. I'ma come clean, fuck the bitch on FaceTime. I'm some rats, they ain't tryna FaceTime. You on the bus, I'm in the A9. When you hear this, you might take a few lines. Pop out with cake, bitch face blue now. He's 28, they 32 now. He in LA, I'm not on the 2 now. Walk up on this car, if I see that boy, he fuck. Send a few rounds, I better be on D. No more 10, ain't no real bitch. I'm happy we ended this shit. You can go remember pouring two. Drop a phone now, hate your bum.
So that one, you know, the pictures I could not see if it had adaptive cruise control. Yeah. Came with the red Brembos. Alright guys, so we got the car in the garage now. So the door was crashed in really bad. So I just wanted to see if it still had the door panel, which they didn't show in the pictures, but fortunately, they did. It's a little wet. But yeah, the door panel. Put that right there. So, this trim, I'm gonna have to order from the dealer because I don't know who decided they wanted to peel it off. It's not that expensive, probably 50 bucks. So put that aside. Another trim, I'm gonna have to order that. Another trim. Some handcuffs. Somebody was getting kinky back here. Got the handle. I don't know if this comes with a light. It comes with a plug on the back, so I don't know what that's for. They're getting real kinky back here because they got the mitts, they got the handcuffs, you know, and they got the mop. They were getting real kinky back here. Look at this boy. So these are basically all the parts that we have right here. We got the door panel, the handle, some other stuff. The back looks cleared up now. But yeah, look at that interior, guys. It's gonna need a little bit of cleaning. Those red Alcantara seats usually get dirty real quick just because they're a bright color. Start it up. It's real quiet compared to the 2020 Scat Pack. That one has a full exhaust system. So the oil on this one is actually really, really bad. I don't want to keep it on for too long, but yeah. Quickest he ever went was 163. This has the navigation and everything, which is cool. Yeah, this car was a good buy in my opinion. I feel like this is like a 2-3 day video. I hope you guys like it. I don't know. I feel like you guys are gonna think it's dumb, but at the end of the day, in my opinion, it's a good buy. Even though I already have a Charger Scat Pack, I need the one with the red interior. This is the first one I've ever had with red interior, so guys, for a good deal. We're always gonna go over pricing at the end of like the series for each car. So I have the rear door, and I'm getting the front door tomorrow. So I I forgot to show you guys the damage. So I don't know why they totaled this thing. It's probably gonna get a whole side. For my guys at Mars Trucking and Parts. It's not pushed in, so I don't see why they took everything apart. Everything here is all in good condition. Seats in good condition. You don't want to lose this. This is a part of the door. But so that door is good. Ooh. Okay. So that's where our problem is at. So this is where they're gonna pull it out from. Open it up. Just so you guys can see the damage on the other side. I mean, door panel's all good. So we're most likely gonna get basically the whole side of the car minus the quarters. It's not that bad. It is pushed in. I feel like I don't know why they totaled it. I know they Mars and Trucking, they're gonna give me a deal on that side skirt. If you guys ever need anything, make sure you guys hit them up. Talk to Evan, let him know I sent you. He gives me really good deals on all of the parts. And yeah, so we're gonna end today's video. Hopefully you guys like it. Go ahead, comment, subscribe, like, do all of that. Share this video for more content. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.